Good morning, class. Welcome to day 2 of your Still Life unit. This video will discuss today's task list and the assignments that need to be completed. Your learning goal for the project is to draw objects to scale and in proportion. We want to make sure everything is the right size, that one thing is not too big or too small. And we're going to be discussing that at length today as I introduce you to how to use shapes to help plan the space of your paper and figure out the proper sizes and proportions of your objects. Your essential question for the project is, how do artists create a work that is pleasing and demands the viewer's attention? So we're going to be discussing this over the course of the next couple of days, but we're going to be discussing filling the entire space of the paper, adding a lot of variety, a lot of different things, a lot of line details. The artist could even add color to the project. They can add light and shadow like value, and even some other things. But those 5 things and more can make an artwork pleasing and demand our attention. The most important thing of all of them is to fill the space, the entire space of the paper, and also to add a level of variety where you have different objects and different things going on. And then lastly, your vocabulary words for today are shape and proportion, which we are going to discuss below. So your first task is to watch the shape and proportion entrance ticket video. This will give you the answers to the entrance ticket questions below. It's a short video, so please make sure you watch that to get your answers. Then you're going to answer what is shape and what is proportion using the information from the video above. Please submit that to your day 2 entrance ticket so you can get the full 2 points. Once you've done your entrance ticket, then you're going to watch how to begin a still life drawing. This is going to be a demonstration of myself showing you how to fill the space of your paper so you can fit all the objects of your still life on your paper itself, and also how to draw your objects in proper proportion using nothing but just basic shapes such as circles and squares and triangles. Once you've watched that video, you are then going to begin drawing your final project by using basic shapes to map out your space and keep your objects in proper proportion and scale. Now that's a lot, and we're going to be discussing all of that in the video above that we just discussed. But you're going to take everything you learned in that video and apply it to the start of your project today. And then once you're done, you're going to submit a photo of today's work to the day 2 student progress. And your benchmark goal for today, where you should be at the end of class, is that you should have mapped out the space of your paper, basically meaning that all of your objects from your photo fit on your paper, and they're also drawn large enough that they fill the paper as well. And once you've done that, you also want to make sure you've determined the proportions for each object using shapes. This will be clarified more in the video, but you don't necessarily need any line details today. You just need to figure out the shapes and placements of all your objects on your paper. And the materials for today, you're going to need your still life photo, the picture that you took yesterday or during the last class. If you have not yet taken that photo, please do so now and take a photo of a still life arrangement from using 5 objects from around your own home. You just need your final paper, that smooth white paper you were given, and a pencil and eraser. This project will not be in color. It is going to be completely in pencil. But today we're just worrying about the shapes and figuring out the proportions for today. All right, I look forward to seeing the beginnings of your project. Please make sure at the end of this video you watch the shape and proportion entrance ticket video. And I will talk to you all soon, and we'll discuss these new vocabulary words and how they apply to your project. Okay, everyone, I'll see you soon. Bye.